Basics of Mutual Fund Investing. Isa ka ba sa mga nakakita ng post na to about Jollibee na pwede kang maging shareholder for as low as 1,000 pesos? O ng post na to, yan, with 0% entry fee through the help of IMG. Yeah, so before I share paano talaga gawin mag-invest sa Jollibee sa halagang 1,000 pesos, let me introduce myself. I'm Ax Acosar. I'm one of the CEO trainer dito sa IMG. At ang pinaka-mission ng IMG is to educate 30 million families by 2030. So yan ang ating financial literacy campaign. No? So we start with the introduction of IMG kasi kailangan matutunan din natin where to get money to invest. Kasi baka mamaya mag-focus tayo about mutual funds pero wala naman pala tayong pang-invest. No? Kaya nga, we highly encourage na sana makapag-attend ka din ng basic financial concepts class ng IMG at yun, maka-join ka sa mga workshops and financial classes natin. Ang dami mga financial tips na tinuturo kung paano makaipon at isa na dyan itong tinatawag na 10-20-70 or abundance formula. So si Brother Bo ang nagturo nito. Applying this formula, pwede kang magkaroon talaga ng pang-invest. So i-recall natin no, kung hindi ka pa familiar dito. Out of our 100% income, syempre, first allocation, 10% we give back to God, tithes, sa church, ministry, community, saan tayo nag-grow. Then the 20%, yun ang isa-set aside natin for our savings and investment. At syempre, the 70%, yun ang panggastos natin. So applying this formula, meron ka ng pang-invest sa yung mutual fund. No? At syempre, kailangan i-assess din natin ang ating financial situation. So baka mamaya kasi gusto natin mag-focus more on investment, stock market, mutual fund without knowing na wala pala tayong healthcare, wala pala tayong income protection, medyo malaki yung debts natin, and ang liit ng emergency fund. So kung mapapansin mo, ang figure na to is unstable. Diba? So isang ano lang yan, masagay lang ng konti, gibaan na yan. No? So kailangan from that figure, matutunan din natin how to build itong nasa right side, no? So nasa situation ba tayo? Kailangan matutunan natin itong tinatawag na solid financial foundation. So habang nag invest tayo sa mutual fund, stock market, kailangan pala meron pa rin tayong healthcare. Long-term and short-term healthcare. So short-term healthcare, habang nag-iipon tayo, nag invest no, so magkasakit man tayo, hindi natin magagalaw yung investment natin kasi may healthcare tayo. Present mo lang sa hospital, wala kang babayaran. And the long-term healthcare, pagdating ng retirement years, so kahit marami kang pera, marami kang property, investment, during older years, yung sakit, dyan talaga lumalabas eh. At isang sakit lang, kayang maubos ko anong meron ng family. So kailangan matutunan din natin how to have long-term healthcare. And at the same time, habang nag invest tayo, may insurance protection tayo for our family. Kasi again, hindi natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Kung maliit pa yung ipon natin, mahalaga, meron din tayong maiiwan sa family through the help of life insurance. Debt management, so kailangan syempre masettle dyan. Emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months no monthly salary natin. And the investment, yung pinakabubong ng ating solid financial foundation. So actually, pwede naman talaga yung sabay-sabay gawin natin. So habang nag invest ka sa mutual fund, pwede kang magkaroon nitong different levels ng ating foundation. So to learn more about that, syempre, contact the person na nag-share sa'yo ng video na to para mas mag-guide ka niya. And kailangan alam natin bakit tayo mag-i-invest. No? At ang main reason talaga natin dyan is to prepare for our future. No, ang liit lang na interest sa bangko, 'di ba? Lumiliit yung value ng pera natin, ang daming responsibilities, may mga umaasa sa atin, at hindi talaga habang buhay kaya natin magtrabaho. At syempre, we have life dreams. No, may mga pangarap tayo, pero lagyan natin ng deadline. Lagyan natin ng date kasi yung life dreams mo, kung wala yung deadline, panaginip lang yan. Pero pag nilagyan mo siya ng deadline, nagigig siyang goals. Yeah, so house and lot, car, travels, own a business, and be financially free. And yan, introduction lang yon. So let's proceed about the Philippine stock market. No, so meron tayong dalawang paraan paano tayo mag-i-invest sa stock market. So ito nga pala yung PSEI index. Ito yung indicator ng performance ng top investment or top stock shares, no, sa Philippine stock market, o yung tinatawag natin na blue chip companies or PSEI indicators, no. And pwedeng yan na din yung mag-represent sa growth ng ating economy. Yan. And again, we have two ways. Pwedeng direct, open ka ng online broker, kaya lang ikaw yung magmamanage ng portfolio. Ikaw yung kailangan tumutok, ikaw yung magbabuy and sell, no? At yun, medyo technical siya. And kung wala ka talagang time para aralin, mas maganda pa rin yung second way. Second way is in direct stock investing, at ito na nga ang tinatawag natin na mutual fund investing. No, ang maganda dito sa mutual funds, professionally managed. May expert na mag-handle ng pera mo on behalf of you, yung mga fund managers natin, very liquid. No, you can invest it, no, or withdraw, no. Pwede mong i-withdraw, i-redeem yung investment mo. Diversified. Yan. So depende kung ano yung allocation ng mutual fund. Low minimum investment requirement. Totoo po 'yun. 1,000 pesos. Pwede ka talagang mag-invest sa stock market. Very transparent. So ipapakita ko saan naka-invest ang pera mo. Strong track records, safe and secure. So regulated yan ng government, at gains are tax exempted. Yan. At ang mutual funds, meron po siyang different types. So pag sinabing mutual fund, hindi siya automatic stock market. Kasi pwedeng nakalagay siya sa money market fund, pwedeng bond fund, pwedeng balance fund, o pwede ding equity fund. So itong equity fund, ito yung sa stock market. Yeah, so magpapakita ko ng sample. So ito si Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. Isa to sa partner ng IMG dito sa mutual funds, no? So ito ay isang equity type ng mutual fund, no? And dahil equity type siya, yan, dito siya naka-invest. Ito yung ating top 10 holdings companies, no? So 1,000 pesos mo, dahil napagsama-sama yan ng iba't ibang investors, so ito yung maiipon niya. 913 million pesos. Yan yung napagsama-samang pera from different investors. O yung 1,000 mo, included na dyan. At yan ang i-invest ni mutual fund company or ni fund manager kay SM, Ayala, SM Prime Holdings, BPI, International Container, BDO, at Jollibee. Ayan, so totoo ang nakita mong post na 1,000 pesos lang, pwede ka talagang maging shareholder ng Jollibee, Metro Pacific, PLDT, at hindi lang Jollibee, kasama pa itong other top 10 holding companies. Ayan, at yung mutual fund na yan, pwede mo siyang dagdagan minimum of 500 pesos. Pero syempre, kailangan mas maganda makabili ka ng maraming shares, no? So ito naman, bond fund, more on government bonds naman siya naka-invest at corporate bonds. Ito medyo safe, no? Pang ano to, low risk, and medyo pang short-term goals, no? So it's at itong type ng mutual fund. At ito pa ang mga other mutual fund partners ng IMG. First Asset Metro, Phil Equity, Atram, Sun Life, Pilam Asset Management. At ang maganda, no, itong mga mutual fund companies na to, may different types of mutual fund din yan. No, depende sa allocation. So pwede kang mamili. Yeah, so how does it work? Paano ba mag-grow yung pera natin sa mutual fund? So daily, nababago-bago po ang price per share ni mutual fund company o yung tinatawag natin na net asset value per share. So kung ba yun na yung pinaka netong price from that top 10 holding companies. Then bumibili tayo ng number of shares. So let's say nag-invest ka ng 1,000 pesos kay Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund, and date is October 26. And yung time na to, ang price per share ni Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund is 0.6560. So paano siya computein? Yung 1,000 pesos mo, i-divide mo lang ng price equals number of shares na nabili mo. No, so 1,524.39 shares. So again, daily, nababago-bago ang price ni mutual fund company, no? So let's assume at the end of 2020, no, so kunwari lang ha, no, at may vaccine na, dumalik na sa normal yung lahat or new normal pa rin, no? Sabihin natin yung economy naka-recover na at ang price na ni Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund is piso. So magkano na yung value ng pera mo? 1,524.39 shares mo times piso, yung current price niya equals 1,524.39. So yung 1,000 mo, kumita na ng 524.39. That's 52.44%. So ganyan po computein yung rate of return sa mutual fund. So another example, ito, let's assume si Mr. A nag-invest siya ng 50,000 pesos at nung time na noon, March 24, 2020, ito yung down talaga yung economy, no? 0.574 ang price ni Soldibo Mutual Fund. So nakabili siya ng 87,108.01 shares, no? And ang value na nung investment ni Mr. A as of October 26, which is 0.6560 yung price, so i-multiply lang natin siya. Yung number of shares na hawak mo multiplied by price, 57,142.85. So si Mr. A, meron siyang paper gain of 7,142.85 or 14.28%. So paper gain pa lang yan kasi hindi pa naman siya wini-withdraw. Actual gain ang tawag pag winidraw mo na ang iyong investment. Then, ito naman si Mr. B, nag-invest naman siya ng 40,000. A week before, bumaba ang economy, no? Nung lockdown, before mag-lockdown. So 0.7126 per shares. So ang nabili niyang share is 56,133. At ang current value ng pera ni Mr. B, again, shares, multiplied by 0.6650 equals 36,823. So may paper loss si Mr. B na negative 3,176.79 or lugi siya ng 7.9%. No, medyo bumaba, hindi pa nakakabawi yung investment ni Mr. B. So dito sa illustration natin, pinapakita natin na hindi guaranteed ang income sa mutual fund na stock equity. No, pero kung bonds yan, no, yung mutual fund is bonds, so may guaranteed siya kasi short ano lang naman yun short guaranteed return or small return, no? Pero kung equity, hindi po talaga siya guaranteed. But we can do a strategy paano talaga magkakaroon tayo ng projected, no, or magkakaroon talaga ng return in investing sa stock equity na mutual fund. No? So sample scenario, kunwari nag-invest tayo ng 100 pesos per month and ito meron tayong ipapakita na tatlong scenario. No? So yung una, every month tumataas yung price ni mutual fund ni equity, no? So nag-start siya sa 10 pesos. So yan, ito yung nabibili ng shares habang tumataas. Scenario 2, bumaba tapos naka-recover. Diba? Pansin mo. Then scenario 3, bumaba tapos hindi naka-recover. No? So sa tatlong scenario na yan, saan kaya mas kikita yung pera natin? No? So tingnan natin, no? Scenario 1, nag-invest ng 100 pesos per month. So ang total shares na na-acquire niya, so i-add up lang natin yan. So that's 42.28 times last share price of 20 pesos. So 845.60. Magkano na-invest? 600 pesos. No, so gain after 6 months, 245.60. So kumita ng 41% over 6 months. So panalo, nag-gain dyan. So second scenario, yung bumaba tapos naka-recover, bumalik sa 10 pesos. So total shares, 85.25. Last shares price is 10 pesos. No? Then magkano na-invest? 600 pesos. Gain after 6 months, 252.50. That's 42% over 6 months or 7% per month. Panalo ulit. So scenario number 3 naman, tingnan natin. Yung bumaba tapos hindi naka-recover. So i-add up natin yung shares na nabili. 257.22. Last year's price is 450. Total value is 1,157.49. Magkano na-invest in 6 months? 600 pesos. Gain after 6 months, 557.49. That's 92.9%. panalo rin. No? At kung mapapansin natin, mas malaki ang return sa time na to. Kasi mas marami siyang nabiling shares nung mababa ang market. Ayan. At dito sa tatlong senaryo na yan, hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa tunay na buhay, di ba? Kaya ang ating strategy, invest regularly or cost averaging. Accumulate more shares over time and develop the habit of investing. At kailangan talaga na build up natin yung solid financial foundation natin. Kasi kung dumaba yung market, 'di ba? So, may magkasakit sa family or tayo mismo nagkasakit, maganda meron tayong healthcare para hindi natin ma-withdraw itong ating investment. Kasi gano'n nangyayari, 'di ba? Pag kailangan na ng pera due to health condition, iwi-withdraw talaga. No? So, lugi ka dito sa part na 'to pag winidraw mo siya. Okay? So, how to start? Paano nga ba mag-start ng mutual fund? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng pang-invest. No? So, 1,000 pesos or 5,000 pesos, depende sa mutual fund account na i-open mo. At meron talagang may fees or sales load ang mutual fund. It can go as high as 4.5%. Pero, ang maganda kung IMG member ka, so waive na siya. Wala na yung charges sa mutual fund. At kailangan mag-fill out tayo ng forms, attach copy of valid ID, at least one government issued. Kailangan pare-parehas ang pirma mo sa form, kagaya nung nasa ID mo. Kailangan meron po tayong TIN. At kung minor, kailangan po ng interest for account. So kailangan natin ng PSA birth certificate. So yan po yung mga usual requirement kapag mag-i-invest tayo sa mutual fund. So ang question ng marami, meron po bang convenient way to start? OFW ako, paano ako mag-uumpisa sa mutual fund? So meron na po tayong convenient way. Sa tulong ng IMG. So dito po papasok ang service natin sa financial literacy program ng IMG. When you become an IMG member, no, nag-enroll ka sa program, may online access ka na. So sa membership fee na 5,500 for Philippine base, nandito po sa atin sa Pilipinas, para sa ating mga international members, no, working abroad, kahit nasang country ka pa, nasa around 175 US dollar, no, or 8,600 pesos plus, no, depende nga sa country kung nasan tayo, no. So medyo may increase lang po ng minimal lang naman yung for international members to support our international operation, no. Kasi again, mahal po mag-operate worldwide, no? So ang IMG kasi worldwide, and ano yan, for maintenance ng ating online servers, no? Kasi again, through the help of IMG, pwede ka nang mag-invest sa mutual fund through online, 'di ba? And we also have 1,500 pesos renewal for IMG membership, no? So meron namang mga benefits pa aside from mutual fund, no? And yun, 0% entry fee tayo, 'di ba? And yung kanina, automatic dun sa Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. May opening balance ka na 1,000 pesos. Yan, automatic 1,000 pesos do sa membership mo credited to your Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. Yun naka-invest kay Jollibee, remember pinakita ko kanina. So kapag nag-member ka kay IMG, investor ka na kaagad kay Jollibee. Galing, no? At sa other mutual fund companies, so 0% entry fee tayo. So dito pa lang yung automatic online sa Soldivo. Sa other mutual fund company, yung iba wala pa po silang online facility, manual application talaga. Pero itong si Atram, yes, may online po siya, seedbox.ph. We can register through online. During the online interview, sabihin lang natin na tayo ay IMG member, no? Pakita natin ang ating IMG code at ma-waive ang ating mga sales load. Yan. So how to monitor our mutual fund? Magkakaroon ka po ng ganitong IMG members page. Nandito ang iyong mga benefits as an IMG member. At syempre, dito mo mamomonitor ang statement account ng iyong Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund na mutual fund. Yan. So, i-click mo lang yung view details, makikita mo ilang shares na yung nabili mo. Yan. So, statement of account mo, makikita mo dyan. Okay, so monitor mo talaga. At i-click mo lang yan, add subscription kung gusto mo magdagdag or magbili ng additional shares sa mutual fund. Yan. At pwede ka rin pumili, no? So, growth fund, or bond fund. And other mutual funds, kasi nag-open ka, wala pang statement of account yung ibang mutual fund company, yun lang po, pinapadala through email. 'Di ba? Pero syempre, convenient way tayo. Kung nasa abroad ka, Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund, best fit for you. How to withdraw or redeem funds? Withdraw ka agad, no? Yan, i-click mo lang yung request redemption. No? Then pag kinlik mo yan, indicate mo lang kung ilan shares yung i-withdraw mo and i-identify mo. Let's say, pa-deposit mo sa yung bank account. So, pwede rin yun. May charge po 1 to 2% no kapag withdraw mo siya within holding period. Usually 6 months po ang holding period para mas mag-grow talaga yung pera mo, no? At within 5 to 7 banking days. Yan. Beyond 6 months po pala, no? Wala nang charge, no? Wala nang withdrawal charge. Yan. What if na-die too soon? Paano yung investment natin? So, ang IMG membership po natin is transferable to our family. So, automatic matatransfer din po ang ating Soldibo account na nakalink sa ating IMG membership. At sa ibang mutual fund, ayun nga po, no, kailangan submit ng death certificate, no, estate tax certificate. Parang sa bangko, 'di ba, na-freeze yung account. So mas maganda kung mag-open ka ng other mutual fund account, no, meron kang joint account or co-investor. Pwedeng joint end or joint or. Joint end, parehas na signature, kailangan, no, pag magwi-withdraw. So, upon death nung isang nag-i-invest, 50% can access by living investor. Kung joint or naman, isa lang naman ang kailangan na signature pag magwi-withdraw. No, kaya kung mawala yung isang nag-i-invest, ma-access pa nung other investor. And dyan din papasok ang importance ng pag-build ng ating solid financial foundation. Diba? Para secure talaga yung family natin. So to learn more again about this, contact the person who shared to you this video. And i-review lang din natin itong ating IMG benefits. So nabanggit ko na, no, 35 benefits ang may enjoy mo starting from financial education. Ito po yung main benefits sa IMG. Para lang po tayong financial literacy school, no? Para mas matutunan natin mag-handle ng pera natin at yung ating mga investment na kukunin. And yan, meron tayong IMG Academy online, may mga classes tayo, webinars, no, recorded and live. May mga certificates yan kung mahilig ka mangulik na certificate, no? And we have financial checkup, no? Financial planning sessions meron. And ito, gusto ko na lang i-highlight. Meron kang personal accident insurance of 100,000 pesos. Automatic yan. Parang sa school, insured tayo, no? Kapag estudyante. And may opportunity ka to avail a 50,000 memorial insurance for 500 pesos only. One time lang po yan, no? And kasama po ito na re-renew kapag ano tayo, 1.5 renewal accreditation sa IMG. May mga free eye checkups pa, may mga free consultations sa Kaiser Medical Centers, no? May discount sa laboratories. And ito yung naging topic natin kanina, na automatic when you join IMG, you have 1,000 pesos opening balance sa stock market through mutual funds. Investor ka na ng Jollibee. Yes, tama-tama po yung nakita mong post, no? And kung naghahanap ka pa ng other financial product like healthcare, yes, you can have access sa Kaiser. And kung life insurance, we have most 18. No, and ito yung ating mutual fund, no. Kung gusto mo din matutunan about stock trading platform, ikaw yung magmamanage ng portfolio mo, pwede rin po, no. Ozone Therapy, Palawan Express partnership, no. Kung sa area mo walang malapit na bangko, pwedeng through Palawan ang mga investment mo. And may mga discounts pa tayo, car insurance, travel insurance, real estate investing ang gusto mo. No, pwede kang maka-avail ng discount pag bibili ka ng housing lot, condominiums, even memorial lots. At may mga discounts pa tayo on special courses. And yan, may mga free services pa, no? Memorial Everest, asset preservation service, papakreate ka ng family corporation, may discount ka sa mga lawyers, and auto program. Bibili ka ng sasakyan, any brand, any model, you can avail discount and the rewards in the financial industry. No? So we also have a career opportunity dito na pwede kang maging financial educator at magturo sa iba how to save and invest correctly. You can join our international conventions at nire-recognize din yung maraming natulungan na families. Yeah, so ang daming benefits ng IMG aside from your access to mutual fund investing. And yan, I encourage you to take action, be financially educated, and act on your financial needs. Make the right choice. I encourage you to join us in IMG. 'Di ba? So, ang daming mga benefits na makakatulong on building our finances. So, thank you so much. I hope nakatulong itong video na to and connect with the person who invited you if you want to join IMG. And congratulations!